Hi everyone. Have you considered purchasing an electric griddle? You will by the end of the video. Electric griddles are a budget-friendly, at-home version of the flat-top cooking surfaces used by short-order diner cooks. They let you make large quantities of greasy spoon favorites like bacon, French toast, pancakes, fried eggs, and grilled cheese sandwiches. So these are our favorite models and the best-selling picks for 2024 so far. Bella. This electric grill is perfect for cooking for a party with friends or for a family get-together. The extra large surface makes it perfect for making multiple items at once. You can prevent hand burns by using the Cool Touch grips. This stovetop griddle comes equipped with a detachable probe and a temperature dial that can be adjusted for precise control. While the warming tray keeps meals warm until dishing, the drip tray gathers fat and liquids for better cooking. The 1200W griddle grill heats up fast and doesn't require a lot of waiting time here either. This ceramic griddle's constructed, detachable power cable makes it easy to travel any place, including camping, self-catering vacations, and dorm rooms. This flat-top grill's 10x16 scratch-resistant surface is totally submerged, making dishwasher cleaning simple. The electric frying pan is safer for you and your family to use because it is free of dangerous chemicals, including PTFE and PFOA. VEVOR. This large electric griddle features a premium stainless steel construction, ensuring it remains durable and long-lasting. There are no PFOA or PTEF present in the non-stick iron frying surface. To guarantee that the food is cooked to perfection, this electric flat-top grill incorporates temperature controls that can be adjusted, and its temperature range of 50 degrees C to 300 degrees C. It saves a lot of time when cooking large quantities of food because it has an integrated heating tube that distributes heat evenly for thorough cooking and adequate cooking space at once. And investing in this griddle also helps you maintain a clean kitchen with less washing because of its larger drip hole and detachable oil storage box, which gathers leftover food and oil for quick and simple cleanup. To help you cook better, they also provide you shovels and brushes. Techwood. With this smokeless grill from Techwood, you can bring the excitement and flavors of a barbecue indoors and savor real grilled foods. You could almost call this electric grill smokeless. It can simulate an open grill on your kitchen countertop or indoor cooking area without emitting smoke or setting off smoke alarms. Its cutting-edge turbo smoke extractor technology allows you to grill indoors year-round, no matter the weather. It has two detachable grill and griddle plates that are great for grilling steaks, pancakes, sandwiches, eggs, and more. And with its integrated smart control button, this Techwood indoor smokeless grill will make cooking delectable masterpieces easy for even the most inexperienced cook. Also, you can simply manually set the temperature you want. With its 1500-watt heating element and 6 heat settings, it heats up quickly. Its Cool Touch handle provides a secure and pleasant grip, and its cooking surface is big enough to accommodate twice as much grilling space. Plus, it includes non-stick coated plates that enable you to get flawless grill marks for food that tastes and looks better. Mueller HealthyBites. This fantastic extra big non-stick electric griddle boasts a 1500-watt heating system, a Cool Touch base, and an integrated slide-out drip tray. You can cook everything you want, including steak, lamb chops, eggs, bread, veggies, skewers, mushrooms, salmon, shrimp, and more. With its detachable probe that allows you to precisely adjust the temperature. It's simple to remove the plate and modify it to suit your cooking needs. Food can be prepared with very little or no oil thanks to the non-stick cooking surface of the griddle electric. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to its smooth, non-stick frying plate. Most of the time, all it requires is a quick wipe down with a sponge and dish soap. For easy mobility for cleaning, the temperature probe and drip tray are also detachable. Plus, here you can cook at 5 different temperatures, reaching 430 degree F. Chefman. For all of your culinary needs, this Chefman all-purpose non-stick classic griddle is another very handy griddle grill combo. With temperatures ranging from 200 to 420 degree F for greater adaptability, the small cooking surface rapidly expands your kitchen's cooking space for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That is to say, its 9.8x 15.7-inch indoor grill surface offers plenty of cooking space even in cramped situations. The non-stick cooking surface allows for easier food removal, and the slide-out drip tray helps keep oil and grease away from your food. To clean up, just take off the temperature control and give the griddle in the dishwasher or sink a good cleaning. Plus, it is also UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance is provided by Chefman. Heuyrao. You can use this electric griddle in your kitchen, restaurant, roadside stand, or snack bar. It can also be used in commercial settings. With a cooking surface of 21.65 x 13.77, this commercial electric griddle offers ample space for cooking. This electric griddle has a stainless steel body and a cast iron grill plate, which is a premium, portable, and durable material. Cooking and cleaning using a non-stick grill plate is simple. Here you can bake the items according to a 360-degree rotation. Apart from that, it enables you to modify the temperature to suit the various meals' cooking requirements. This electric griddle has a temperature range of 122 degree F to 572 degree F. Besides, you can clean its surface and the power supply derivation line's surface after usage by using a damp towel without any corrosive cleaner. There is a small hole on the plate surface through which food oil can be drained into the oil basin. And with that, we come to an end. We hope you found a great pair that fit your demands and price range. All of these product links are included in the description below. Check it out to get the greatest deals on Amazon. Until then, bye. We'll see you in the next.